Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited about this video because it's an actual partnership with the Dollar Tree. I am so happy. Like, I love this place because if you haven't gone, like, it's kind of like a Michael's mixed with like 99-cent store. Like, it's super crafty. It's like way more crafty than the 99-cent store. But of course they have like those general items that we're looking for when we go to the 99-cent store. So they gave me the challenge of creating like a holiday table setting for the house with $10 or less. So I was so excited about this partnership, and I was like, heck yeah, like I could do this. So I ended up going with $9.67, and I feel pretty good about it. I feel if I had about like $15 to $20, I would have been 100% decked out. Like, it would have been really like, ta-da, like amazing. But I feel good about what I ended up getting. If you're not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. And if you like this video, don't forget to like. All right, without further ado, let's get to shopping.
I don't know, it's kind of hard. We have so much. And mind you, it's only November 2nd. So they already have so much stuff, guys. These are the tablecloths that they have. They have a lot more in the front too. You'll see which one I decided on. And like I said, just a bunch of Christmassy stuff. It's mostly like, you know, the greens and the reds. A lot of children's stuff. A lot of Christmas candy. And I'm definitely attracted to like the golds and the whites. So if you see, there's a lot of like angels, deers, stars, which is perfect for your tree, guys. Like, if you're looking for like a white and gold tree this year, Dollar Tree is definitely it. I was also thinking of using these for the table setting, but I think I would need a bunch of them. Like, let's pull one of these. So if you see, I would need like 10 of these. That would be like my $10. So they also have little trees. They have the white tree, which I love. They already have a lot of ornaments. Like, you have no idea how many ornaments they have. And I was also attracted to this with like a white cloth. So I might have to cheat and find something white that I already own, because I also didn't find anything white. This is the selection that they have. I was actually looking into these, but I don't really like the square rectangle with like a round plate. So probably not gonna get those. I do like that they have these. It has like a gold rim. Really good. And they have like the holiday wine glasses. How cute. I'm just gonna take some cookies, you know, because it can't be Christmas without dessert.
Okay, so let me show you the items that I ended up buying. I saw this tablecloth, and I thought it was really like, it's not too like Christmassy. Like, it's like more on the chic side, at least I would say. And it's a flannel back tablecloth, which I hope it's the size that I need. I didn't even read it, but it really does look durable. Like, I don't know if you guys could tell. So I really liked it. I ended up getting napkins that match this tablecloth. These are really cute, guys, and it looks like you're trying. And then I ended up getting these plates. So I got 4 of these, kind of like thinking it would be like for like a dinner of 4 people. So I think, and they look good. They look expensive. They look durable. And I ended up getting these little like decorative bells, and just to like give it more of like a bling bling. They did have a lot of like ornaments. They had a lot of glitter ornaments. They had silver, they had white, They had, you know, the general, like red, green, a lot of gold, which like sometimes it's really hard to find gold at the 99-cent store. So Dollar Tree had a lot of it. So, and then, not gonna lie, I am gonna cheat, and I'm letting you know how I'm cheating. I'm planning on using these lights that I got about maybe like 2 years ago. I can't find my smaller lights, and Dollar Tree does have a lot of smaller lights, but maybe like for like 5 feet they're $1 each. So obviously, like with my imagination, I would have needed like at least 5 of those. So I ended up just like deciding to reuse this. And I also plan on cheating with this. So it's more like a table runner, and oh my god, I love white. Like, if you guys know me, like I always have to incorporate white into anything that I create. So this one, I got it for like $11 or $12 at Ross. And was it at Ross? Yeah, I think it was at Ross last year. So it's like very fuzzy, very soft. I love it. And then it can't be the holidays without treats. So I saw like snacks, and I was like, okay, I need these snacks. My dad absolutely loves these. These are the almonettes with milk or coffee. They're so good. And of course, I got butterfly cookies. These are so good, guys. So, and then for obviously like plates and all of that, I'm gonna have to use what we have right now. So that's another way that I'm sort of cheating, or just being recycling or reusing. So it depends how you're seeing it. So yeah, this is what I got, and I'll show you my final creation.
And guys, this is the finished look. This is the final creation. I did end up adding these. I also got them at Ross, these little coasters. They have like the gold and white accent. They were probably like $10 for a pack of 4, and they definitely make everything stand out, and it looks a little fancier. Obviously, like the plates and the glasses, these are mine. You have the cookies, and of course, you know, Latinos would enjoy their holidays eating tamales. I also ended up adding this. I also got that at Ross. Just candle, like a little centerpiece, and it just looks really good. These look better in person, guys. Also, if you feel like you're more in the simple decorations, I just took off the lights, and I also like the look. It's very cute. I love it. But this is a finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and it was for less than $10. How cute! So excited for the holidays, and thank you, Dollar Tree.